VMI Commercial's Dodge Ram Promaster is one of the most versatile vehicles available in accessible transportation. Its spacious interior is designed to comfortably accommodate both ambulatory and wheelchair passengers, and drivers will enjoy operating the van for its simplicity, efficiency, and flexibility. The VMI Promaster is equipped with features that deliver consistent, reliable vehicle operation and a comfortable riding experience for passengers. This ADA-compliant full-size van has a tall and wide door opening with plenty of clearance for wheelchair users who require additional width and/or height. A well-lit doorway and interior cabin improve visibility under low-light conditions. An easy-to-use accessible ramp that's quick to deploy enables short cycle times and impacts transportation efficiency. The Promaster's manual rear entry ramp has an ergonomic handle to help drivers avoid heavy lifting and unnecessary bending while performing their duties. The Promaster ramp is lightweight and yet durable enough to accommodate up to 1,000 pounds. Ramps are available in 36 or 42-inch widths. A reliable kneeling system is an important component to reduce the ramp angle and ensure easier entry and exit for wheelchair users. Activating the kneel system is simple with a push of a button. Drivers are also able to monitor the air gauges to verify the pressure in the air tanks and airbags. Because the VMI Promaster is equipped with 4 airbags, the van recovers from the kneeling mode much faster with greater dependability. The VMI Promaster is the ideal vehicle that lends itself to flexibility and meets more transportation needs. This full-size van is built with a Flex4 system that allows multiple seating configurations, including room for up to 4 wheelchair passengers. With the aid of wheelchair securement system, wheelchair users ride safely to their destination. Seats can be removed to create space for wheelchair users, or they can be added to accommodate additional ambulatory passengers. Commercial transportation vehicles are often built for practical use, but the total experience for passengers and drivers is sometimes overlooked. Our professional team will build each Promaster to meet your exact needs. Optional features are available to improve passenger comfort and efficiency for drivers who operate the vehicle. Features such as a stanchion grab bar for easier boarding, the UltraMax rear heating and air conditioning system, and an electric winch to assist with ingress and egress for bariatric passengers. The VMI Dodge Ram Promaster is certified by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and meets ADA requirements. As a GSA-approved supplier, VMI Commercial delivers a full-size van that transportation providers can confidently add to their fleets and fulfill accessible transportation needs.